Hi guys, here in Asian Mess Hall, so we start to salad also. Here, look at that. Always fresh salad. And then steamed rice. Mhm. And today, what is this today, sir? What is the menu?
Beef keema, sir.
Beef keema. Yeah, this is the beef keema. The toppings, coriander leaves with the green pepper. And sabji. And wow. Next one for the Filipino dishes is fried fish, yes, white rice and munggo. Ginisang munggo and fried fish. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.